Hi guys, in this video, you're going to learn how to set up or optimize your Facebook page. Now, do ensure you've switched into the page you want to optimize. Next, you click on the page in order for us to visit the profile home of your Facebook page. So we'll click on the page. Also, kindly visit the description section of this video. We're going to provide the link that will teach you how to create a Facebook page effortlessly. Next, we're going to upload a logo for this or a profile picture. So we'll click on that. So we're going to upload photo from our desktop or laptop. So we select the picture we want to use. Okay, so it's Japa items. So here we go. Okay, so you could also position it properly if you want. Okay, next you click on save. All right, we successfully uploaded a logo for this Facebook page. Next, we're just going to quickly add a bio description for this page. So we click on add bio. Okay, then this is the bio. Buy and sell newly used household items in properties before relocating. Then we'll click on save. Okay, so we've successfully updated the bio description of this Facebook page. Next, we're going to update the username of this Facebook page. So we scroll to the top, then we'll click on the profile picture at the top right corner, then we'll click on settings and privacy, then click on settings. Okay, so this settings tab is going to open. All right, then we simply click on edit the username. Okay, so see, then we'll click on save changes. Okay, they might ask you to input your password to confirm, then you continue. All right, so let's click on new page experience. Okay, so here you could add a new user if you don't want to go through business manager. So you could add an employee or another admin in this page. Okay, so next let's check out the page status. So you could see this page is doing well. All right, so we still have other features if you want to play around with advanced messaging, okay, and etc. So we go back to settings. So let's click on the settings at the top left corner. Okay, so it brings us back here. Then we'll click on linked account. Okay, we'll be able to add Instagram and WhatsApp there. All right, so let's come back to the page profile. So it's time to add more details. So we'll click on the edit button at the top right corner. Okay, here you'll be able to update your logo, cover photo, your bio, then the page category. So click on edit, then we'll click on the edit button again. Okay, so this is where we're going to make the changes for the page category. So we'll click on the edit at the right hand side, then we'll take out this, then we search for the best category for this page. Okay, so we're going for e-commerce website. Okay, you could also add more if you want, then you save. Okay, next you could decide to add address, your service area, add a phone number, your email address, and social link. So you could do a lot. This is what the optimization is all about, providing necessary or relevant information on your Facebook page. All right, so let's continue. Next, we click on add cover photo. All right, then we're going to select upload photo. So let's upload from the laptop or from your desktop. All right, so we select the cover photo we want to use for this Facebook page. Click on open. All right, then you could position it properly. Then you click on save page, save changes. All right, so this is looking beautiful, right? Okay, so we allow it to save and it has been updated successfully. All right, so we click on the edit button again. Okay, so we scroll down. So you could also update any information you've filled in earlier or lately. Then you click on edit your about info. Okay, so it's going to switch to the about section where we can now add more information. So let's add our website. Okay, so this is the website, japaitems.com. Click on save. Next, the social links so that people can find your Instagram profile or other social media platforms when they visit your Facebook page. So you click on add a social link. All right. So you click on the add a social link again. Okay. The first one is Instagram. So you input your Instagram username. So for us, it's japa.items. Very similar to what we use for Facebook. All right. Next, we'll click on add the social link again to add another social media platform. So we change the social media platform. This time around, we're going to go for Twitter. So for Twitter, we used just Japa items, no dot. We also advise that you should use one username throughout if this is possible. That will be beautiful for you. Next, we click on add the social link again. That will select the platform. We're going to go for LinkedIn for this one. So we search for LinkedIn. Okay, so there you go. Okay, so we click on LinkedIn. Then we input the username on LinkedIn, which is Japa item. So like we said, it's going to be very beautiful if you stick with just one throughout. If this is possible, go for it. Then you click on save. Okay. So we scroll down. You could add basic info like add Wi-Fi network name if you want to do that. You could also add all of this, yeah, but it's not very compulsory, or you could do that later. Okay. So these are other tools and features you can play around with if you want. Okay. So next we click on add your address if you want, but let's just add the phone number first. Okay, so we select our country code. So we click on that button, then we search for Nigeria or use 234, your country code. Next, you put the phone number and then you save. Okay, that's beautiful. Next is the email address. So we add our email address, then we click on save. Okay, so next we are going to click on privacy and legal info if you want to add. Impressium is more like your slogan. So work and education. So let's just jump to details about you. So this is where we could write more information in our about section. So we click on write some details about yourself. So this is our about section. So we paste that. We've already copied it or created it. Okay. So then we click on save. The about is more like a detailed explanation of what your business is all about. All right. You could also add a name pronunciation if you want. Yeah, so there's a lot of tools to play with. So you fill in as much as you can, okay? But the ones we mentioned here are very important. So it's good that you input them